Okay, okay. Ready? Hello? Ready everyone? So just see. Now start writing question number 8. What is the question number 8? What are the components of blood? Already I have explained, again I have written here. Okay, this is the question number 8. Okay, can you see or not? What are the components of blood? Okay, so blood has got two components. Okay, how many components? Blood has got two components. First one is the plasma. Plasma is the fluid part of blood. What is that one? Fluid part of blood. And the next one is corpuscles. There are three types of corpuscles: RBC, WBC and platelets. And I have written their function also. Earlier only I have explained what are the functions of RBC, WBC, blood platelets. Okay, correct or not? Okay, so the components of blood is over. Okay, no issue. Okay, now question number 9. So, question number 9 is, why is blood needed by all parts of the body? Why is blood needed by all parts of the body? Okay, so just see, when I explained you blood, at that time only I have told you the functions of blood. Okay, so just see here, you should write answer in this way. Blood is needed by all parts of the body because number 1, it transports oxygen to all the parts of body. Okay, and oxygen is needed by all the cells or not? Second one is, it transports nutrients to all the parts of body. So just see, when food get digested, so it will be converted into nutrients, and all the cells of body, they require nutrients or not to produce the energy. Not only this one, these nutrients are needed for repair of damaged cells, energy production and some other body functions. So nutrients transportation is also required. And who is responsible for transportation of these nutrients? Blood only. What is the third one? It transports waste from its place of generation to place of disposal. Okay, it transports waste from its place of generation to place of disposal. Okay, correct. So these are the three functions which are performed by the blood. Number 1 is, it transports oxygen to different parts of the body. It transports nutrients to different parts of the body. It transports waste substances from its place of generation to place of disposal. So these are the different functions of blood. Or you can say that these are the things because of which blood is needed by all the parts of body. Okay, any doubt? No doubt. Okay, okay, so I will delete this one and will teach you question number 10. What makes blood look red? Okay, so I will write that one before I wipe out this one. Just you write it. Okay, now I am applying the color mic. Okay, so please keep indicating me whether I am audible or visible to you or not. Okay, hello, yes. Just a minute. Okay, you should write like that: plasma, corpuscles. Okay, so I hope that you have completed this one. Now, question number 10. Okay, now I will rub this side. What makes blood red? Okay, so blood appears to be red. Just write here. Blood appears appears to be red due to presence of red pigment red pigments red pigment called called hemoglobin called hemoglobin. Okay, now question number 11. Describe the function of heart. Question number 11. Okay, am I audible and visible to you? Okay, just see somebody is waiting in the lobby. Let me. Okay, okay. So question number 11. Question number 11 already I taught. What is the question number 11? Describe the function of heart. Already you have written. Check here. Question number 11. Describe the functions of heart. You have already written. Okay. So there is no need to write this question answer again. Okay. Just see. Question number 11. Okay. Answer. What is the answer? Explained. Explained earlier. Earlier. Okay. Just see you write. Now question number 12. Question number 12. Why is it necessary to excrete waste product? Question number 12. Answer. It is necessary to excrete waste product waste product waste product because number 1, they may get collected at its place of generation and hamper the functioning of that body parts hamper the functioning just a minute functioning of related body parts. Okay. Second one. What is the second one? They may be modified into toxic substance, they may be modified into toxic substance and may infect our body if they are not excreted. If they are not excreted. Okay, did you get this one? Hello, hello, hello. Yes, hello, hello. Just you mute everyone. There is no co-host. Okay, just a minute. I use this. I use. Can you become co-host? Now nobody is ready. Uncle Solanki. Uncle Solanki. Uncle Solanki will be the co-host. Okay. Yes. Now somebody is waiting in the lobby. Okay. Okay. Actually, I missed the M. Just you write HAM. Okay. Hamper. HAM. Just a minute. HAM. Okay. Hamper the functioning. Okay. Now everything is visible to you now. Hello. Okay. So in this way, now did you understand this question or not? Why it is necessary to excrete waste product? So waste product is excreted because they must be excreted because they may get collected at its place of generation and hamper the functioning of related body parts. Second one, they may be modified into toxic substance and may our body and may just a minute and may infect just a minute may infect our body if they are not excreted. The hamper spelling is wrong. Just a minute. Hamper. Okay. Hamper the functioning of related body parts. Infect. Okay. No issue. Understood? Hello. Hello. No one is speaking. Hello. Yes. Now okay. Okay. So in this way, your question number 12 is also completed. One more question is there. That is question number 13. Just see here. Question number 13 is draw a diagram of the human excretory system and label the various parts. So already I taught you this one. Human excretory system. I taught, I taught you. Already you have drawn, I think. This is the diagram. This is the type. You have drawn or not? Okay. Okay. So in this way, your entire exercise is completed. Just a minute. Yes. Ask your doubt. 10 percentage? No. That is also the part of blood only. 90 percentage plasma and 10 percentage corpuscles. But in the blood, what is there? Water is also there. And that fluid part or liquid part is called the plasma, and 10 percentage is corpuscles, means RBC, WBC, platelets. Okay. Yes. Now if you have got, hello. Yes, ask. No, no. Listen here. Don't think that the component of blood is every. Hello. Now who is talking? Who is talking? Listen carefully here. Okay. So just listen here. Hello. Are you listening me or not? See. So the overall blood is same to all the person, but the percentage of these component may vary from person to person. One thing, have you got it or not? Now our body may have hemoglobin 14 percentage, but other body may have 16 percentage or at 12 percentage. Okay, so the component of blood is common for all the human being, but their percentage vary person to person. Number one thing. Now that fellow who has asked, I don't know, but remember here, the blood group is decided by the Rh factor and some other things, antigens. Okay, so just try to understand, these are the unique traits of the blood of a person, unique traits. Okay, and no two person will have same. Are you getting my point or not? Just see, I may have B positive, another may have AB or O, like that. Correct? Antigen, antigen. No, not at all. Already I am telling you. Even if blood group is same, no two person will have the same percentage of hemoglobin, RBC, WBC, platelets. This will vary. Now there is no relation between blood group and the percentage of components. Okay. Now how much you are, what kind of food you are taking. Now the person who is taking pomegranate, spinach and all those things, his body may have more hemoglobin as compared to the person who is not taking. Huh. And now listen here, if wrong blood group you will transfuse or give, then what would be there? These RBC, WBC, they may fuse together. Okay, and the functioning of the body will be hampered. Okay, Okay, in higher class you will study. Don't worry. Yes. Any other doubt? Now listen here. See, now because of increasing of percentage only you are giving like blood you are giving, plasma you are giving, or some other things you are giving, so that his body may have more amount of hemoglobin, RBC, WBC. Why blood transfusion is needed? Blood transfusion is needed so that the recipient person will have more amount of blood components. That is the only requirement, na? Only the thing is his body, the person who is the recipient, his body also should accept must accept the blood which has been donated by other person. That is why common blood group is taken. Means if B positive is there, so B positive person can only take. Did you get? Hello? Yes. Yes. हाँ. Just see, I already told you in the body there is a one body parts that is called bone marrow. Okay, each bones have got bone marrow, and each bone synthesize their blood. Even blood is given to other person if you are eating good food, nutritious food. After some time, again your body will have some amount of blood. Okay, just see simple example I will give you. In the village areas, well, have you seen or not? Well, and just see bore well. Everybody have heard about this one or not? From the bore well, water is taken out or not? But just see, after some time, the level of water becomes same. Why? Because the the water inside the earth slowly and slowly water table increases. Correct or not? Especially in the rainy season. Increases or not? Blood is also like that only. You give blood to other. Okay. Now, if you have taken nutritious food, so after some time, your body will synthesize more amount of blood, and you will have normal blood percentage. Okay. Okay. Any other thing? Just see here. Now, at the end of exercise, just see. At the end of chapter, here what you have learned. This is there or not? What you have learned. These portion must be read by each and everyone. Must be read. Okay. And now how they will help you? Now just see, MCQ type of questions will be there. So if you will read that one, if you will understand entire chapter properly, then you will be able to solve all those exercises. Okay? Have you got it or not? Only MCQ, just see in the instruction already I have given you. The mode of exam is online and not type. Hello? All subject, all subject, and type of question paper MCQ. Yes, 50 question, and listen here carefully. In science you have to complete in one page only. Just see, one page is there, you divide into 2 3 parts. Okay, like question number 1 to 12 one part, question number 12 to 25 second part, question number 26 to 50, means hardly 2 page, not beyond 2 page. Means in one page everything should be completed. Are you getting my point or not? Two column, even you can make three column. In one side only you should complete. Hello. MCQ only. Now, even I have given you instruction, then also idiot you are asking. I don't like this habit. Now, already I have given you instruction in the WhatsApp group or not? MCQ. Over. Now don't ask any question regarding that. Yes. Yes. Any other doubt related with this chapter? Otherwise, I will start the next chapter. What is the next chapter? The next chapter is reproduction in plant. Now, chapter number 12. What is the name of this one? Reproduction in plants. So just to see. Ask. Yeah. Yes, person can live with one kidney, but his blood filtration rate will be very very slow, and person will not be very very active. He will always be feeling sickness in his body. Okay, but that can person can survive, no doubt. Yes, but always remember. See, yes. Just try to understand. Neither you are God nor myself is God. Okay, one thing. Death is the ultimate truth. Are you getting my point or not? Death is the ultimate truth. How much care you have taken to your body, your kidney, that may decide your survival years. Did you get my point? Yes. Just see, listen here. Suppose question number one is there. Question number one, okay? So question number one, option second is correct. Suppose. So write option second, and that second correct answer. Correct answer. Are you getting my point or not? What is written in front of option second? That much only. Have you got it or not? Question correct option, okay, means one two like that, and that correct option sentence, okay. And explanation is not required, only correct option. Now 50 question you will have. Yes, option and sentence. Option number like A, B, C, D are 1, 2, 3, and now that correct option. Suppose I have asked which of the following is the part of human excretory system. Okay, which one of the following is the part of human excretory system? Suppose I have written kidney. Okay, then I wrote skin, then I wrote heart, then I wrote suppose plasma or blood I wrote. So what is the correct option? A is the correct option, kidney. Correct. Correct. So op- option number yes, option number first, kidney. That's all. Okay. Yes. Now this is already pattern of exam is changed. Don't ask any question related with this one. Now this year examination pattern is changed. Okay. So yes. Just see. Don't think that number of heart is 3, so their rate of functioning is very high, isn't it? Don't think like that. They have got their limitations in their body, and why 3 heart is there? This is because of some other reasons. Okay, we have got 4 chambered heart, and which is the most advanced in this universe. Okay, that is why we are the supreme commander of this universe. No animal is advanced than us. Okay, just I will explain you how to write the answer in the exam. Just see one example. Suppose this is the question. Okay, see here. See here. In plants, this is question number one. In plants, in plants, water is transported. Water is transported. Water is transported through. Okay, the first option is here. First one is here, one maybe or a maybe. I am writing here one. Xylem. Second option is phloem. Okay, third option is stomata. Stomata. Okay, stomata. Fourth option is root hair. Fourth option is root hair. Okay. Now, what is the answer here? Answer you will write. Which is the correct option? Option one, xylem. Xylem. Like, have you got this one or not? In this way, you should write xylem. Okay. Did you get or not? Hello. Hello. Means question number, just write down the question number. Okay, here you, just a minute, let me write that one also, just a minute. Okay, just see here, its answer is, I will write this side. See here, answer, just write here question, answer. Answer. Here write question number one. Answer. Now first here write diagram. Okay. Then I will come to know that this is the answer of question number one. First write question number, then write answer. First xylem. Okay. Did you get or not? Here I wrote 1, 2, 3, 4. I may write A, B, C, D. Correct? Ah, yes. Okay. Huh? Ask. Huh? Hmm. Now it depends upon the deepness of injury. Okay. How much part of your kidney is damaged and how much part is left. Okay. Now doctor only will decide. Okay. So tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow. Ask Aryan. Yes. Just see whatever, what could I understood your question. Your question is this one only, na, that why less amount of oxygen is coming out. Correct or not? Now, how the diffusion will occur? Because all the body cells require oxygen, na? So some amount of oxygen will be consumed or some amount of oxygen will be taken by the hemoglobin of the blood. Okay, and the cells will use that one. Only left out oxygen should come out na, where diffusion will be taken place, because that oxygen will react with the hemoglobin and it will form oxyhemoglobin. So the percentage of oxygen must be less only na. Yes. So where, why it should be 10 percentage? Where diffusion is taking place? I'm not getting your question. Idiot. Now listen carefully. Now in the lungs it is going. Correct or not? In the lungs, alveoli are there, blood is coming, and now it will take all amount of oxygen. Only little bit amount of oxygen it will send back. It doesn't mean that all 21 percentage will be taken by the blood. Okay. Now some oxygen it will take, remaining oxygen it will send back. Understood? And listen here, amount of oxygen taken by the blood is depends upon the percentage of hemoglobin in your body. That is why elderly person, why they are becoming very ideal, why they are walking slowly, why they are talking slowly, why they are eating slowly, because hemoglobin percentage is less. They are not taking, their blood is not taking sufficient amount of oxygen. While young person talking loudly, walking loudly, running loudly, teaching loudly, studying loud, means he is very active. Why? Because in his blood, hemoglobin is more, blood components are more, they are completely absorbing the oxygen, more amount of oxygen they are taking. Have you got it or not? Okay, so now time is up now. Thank you.